Welcome to our lesson on finding equivalent fractions. Today, we're going to learn how to find equivalent fractions for 5/10 by multiplying both the numerator and denominator by the same non-zero whole number. When two fractions are equivalent, they represent the same quantity or value, even if they look different. So let's create some equivalent fractions for 5/10 by multiplying both the top and bottom by different whole numbers. For example, let's multiply by 2, 3, and 5. Let's explore each of these steps and verify that these fractions are indeed equivalent. We can do this by simplifying the fractions and showing that they reduce back to the original 5/10. Here's the process we just used. By breaking down each fraction, we see that the equivalent fractions have a factorization in common, which is 5/10. This means that no matter what common factor we multiply or divide by, the quotient remains the same. The secret is to multiply both the numerator and denominator by non-zero numbers that cancel each other out. In general, for any fraction a divided by b, multiplying both a and b by the number n gives us an equivalent fraction. This pattern holds true as long as n is a non-zero whole number. I hope you'll feel confident saying you understand equivalent fractions. Thanks for joining us in this lesson.